Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to open PDF file in Microsoft Word Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay, so let's dive in. Now first of all, open your Chrome browser and type on the search bar PDF to Word Converter. Now go on this website, I love PDF. Click on it. Select the PDF file you want to upload. For example, I want to upload this PDF file right over here. Now click on convert to Word right over here on bottom right corner. Click on download Word. That's it, the file is downloaded. Now go back on your Word. Click over here on file on bottom left, on top left corner and click on open. Select open files from this device. Click on download or wherever you have downloaded that file. Okay, this is the file. Click on it. That's it. You can see the file is downloaded. So that's it for the video. That's how you can open a Word PDF file in Word on Chrome. Thanks for watching.